Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by updating GPU drivers and closing Premiere Pro so settings apply cleanly. Once done, connect the second monitor with HDMI or DisplayPort and set your OS to Extended Desktop. This gives you separate workspaces. Make sure you've chosen which screen is primary in display settings, because Premiere uses that as a default. Then launch Premiere. You're ready to move into workspace configuration where the real multi-monitor setup happens. Now, with Premiere open, go to Window, then Workspaces, and choose to edit or create a workspace. Drag the Program Monitor or Source Monitor panel off the main window and drop it onto the second display so you can preview full screen or reference footage there. You can also move Lumetri or Timeline panels for dedicated color or editing spaces. Once the layout feels right, save it as a new workspace so you can recall this two-monitor configuration instantly in future sessions. Finish by maximizing the panel on the second monitor. Click the panel and press the grave key or use a shortcut you assign for full screen preview. This gives you a clean playback view. Once done, make sure to save the workspace layout and test playback performance. Render previews if needed to avoid dropped frames. If the second monitor isn't detected or panels snap back, check cables, GPU outputs, and OS display arrangement. Reboot Premiere after driver or display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.